And as we said, this is one faction of the Taliban that's agreed to a ceasefire deal. There are other factions led by Baitullah Mahsood, for example, that are still opposed to the Pakistani government. Well, moving on to our other big story at this hour, one more round of crucial tax cuts after the interim budget was disappointed the whole country for its lack of action to boost the faltering economy. The government today made an attempt to right its wrongs in what could be termed as a third stimulus package. Acting Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee announced cutting of service tax from 12 to 10%. Excise duty has been cut by an additional 2% from 10 to 8% now, while the 4% across the board excise duty cut that was announced last December will continue beyond the 31st of March. The revenue loss to the government is expected to be around 30 crore rupees.
It is another stimulus. I do hope it will have its desired impact because we have given some concessions for the export sectors, particularly those export sectors which are employment generating, like gems, jewelleries, your garment sectors, handicraft sectors. These are employment oriented. I do hope it will boost the export.
And sir, what could be the revenue loss, sir? Revenue loss, sir.
Approximately 30,000 crores.
The reduction of 2% in excise duty and 2% in service tax. If it is passed to the consumer, I believe it can be passed to the consumer, will stimulate demand. Our assessment is rural demand is still strong. It's in urban India that people are uncertain and timid. If urban India's demand also improves, it should help industry maintain production, maintain employment, and continue to sell goods and services.